A bandsaw is essential for every woodworker, but you don't want to struggle with an inaccurate and unstable fence. The time has come to unlock your bandsaw's true potential. Transform your bandsaw and redefine your standards. Introducing the Harvey Big Eye B70 bandsaw rip fence. Featuring dual-access linear guide rail and bearing system. Fits all Harvey bandsaws. C14, A15, HW615. Compatible with most bandsaws. Quick and effortless adjustments. K9 crystal glass, unparalleled clarity and minimized parallax. High-low fence dual scale, gear-driven fine adjustment, ultra-fine incremental positioning. Dual metric imperial scales. Integrated flip stops make repeat cuts quickly and reliably. Harvey Big Eye B70 bandsaw rip fence. Unlock your bandsaw's true potential. Ready for pre-order now. Visit harveywoodworking.com. Harvey, good enough is not enough.